Hey, this is Dr. Lou Jacobs at Jacobs Chiropractic Acupuncture Center in Portland, Maine, and I'm here to show you how to foam roll your IT band. IT band issues are very, very common in people with pre-existing hip issues, in runners, and even in pregnant moms. This is a really simple exercise to use your foam roller with that really rolls out your IT band. Your IT band goes from basically from your hip and pelvis area down to the knee on the side of your leg. And when it gets sore, you really feel it. And this is how you foam roll it. You do this on both sides. I'm only going to demonstrate on one. But you put the foam roller on the floor like this. You get on top of it, probably around the hip area here. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to place it with this leg, right, that you're not foam rolling, behind the other leg. And you're going to use it to push you along. You can put your leg in front too. And you use it to push up and down just like this. Again, front or back, whichever feels better to you, up and back, with this arm supporting you, just like that. It's a little awkward, but boy, do you really feel it. And it really helps a lot to improve blood flow, to tenderize the tissue on the side of the leg, the iliotibial band, and to improve blood flow in such a way that it helps to heal the area quicker. It's a valuable, valuable tool that you can use at home that will help with leg pain, may help with your hip, may even help some issues with your lower back. My name is Dr. Lou Jacobs at Jacobs Chiropractic Acupuncture Center in Portland, Maine. Use this tip on how to foam roll your IT band to help yourself out at home. It's easy. Foam rollers cost less than $30, and it can mean a world of difference while you're pregnant and having IT band pain. If you're a runner and having IT band pain. If you're just a person having IT band pain, this is a great place to start. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you have any questions, you can post them below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can.